So for this look, I'm wearing a black colored lehenga with some mirror work done on it. Also, I'm wearing this silver colored blouse with lace pattern on its back. Also, I've done some jugaad to keep up my lehenga. And also, I'm wearing this beautiful jhumkas and mang tika and this beautiful bangles, simple and sober, to keep up with my look. The second look is more about this chamkila lehenga, I don't know what to say, and this beautiful blouse which gives a touch of crop top, wearing the same mang tika and bangles. Also, I've kept this makeup very subtle and sober. I'm wearing these pretty jhumkas that I bought from Kulaba. This is more of a classy wedding look. For look 3, I'm wearing this pretty casual skirt with a border on the bottom, and also this chunri which has some Rajasthani work done on its laces, and this cold shoulder blouse which looks pretty good with this outfit. Also, I'm wearing a hairband that looks very pretty with the whole outfit, and it turns out to look good with the ring in my finger and the bangles which looks pretty casual, and some earrings to give it a touch. I call it a mismatched dress. Look 4 is my personal favorite. It's a pinky pink look. In this, I'm wearing earrings from Kulaba, mang tika from some random store, and the ring from also again from some random store, and bangles to add up the look. The blouse is pretty simple and the lehenga is a little bit heavy. Here I am showing you various ways of styling your dupatta with your lehenga and your blouse. So enjoy! Also, I'm not wearing any kind of safety pins because I had to change my look of my dupatta. But you should wear every kind of measures that you can take, any kind of safety pins that you have, so that your dupatta doesn't fall from its place. Even without a mang tika, your hair looks perfect. So it's okay if you like mang tika, add it up. If you don't, it's okay. This is a heavier look. I'm wearing the same blouse, the cold shoulder blouse. Above it, I'm adding this dupatta which is from Srishti. It's very light. The lehenga is pretty much heavy, but it looks perfect with this outfit. The whole outfit looks perfect. And the earrings, they are from an online store. They look good with this outfit. And yeah, I tried to keep this look pretty much simple. As I said, I'm not wearing any kind of safety pins, but you need to wear some. So make sure you're wearing safety pins. I guess that's it. Bye-bye.
It's running.